Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Finance and Crypto Guide. In this video, I'm going to show you how to activate your debit card on the Capital One website. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in capitalone.com and press enter. You will then be taken into the official Capital One Bank website. Now from this page, you can first of all log into your account if you wish to do so using your username and password and then clicking on the sign in button, or you can directly hover over to the credit cards option. Then you will find the activate credit card option. Go ahead and click on it, and now you will be asked whether you would like to sign in and activate or enroll and activate if you don't have a Capital One account already. Click on whichever option is appropriate for you, and you will be asked to enter your credentials. Type in your username and your password and then click on the sign in button, and now you will be logged into your account and you will be asked to enter your debit card details. After typing in all of your debit card details, you can click on the activate button and your card will successfully be activated. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to activate your debit card on Capital One. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.